Fujifilm ZUH6000, ultra-short throw projector with rotating lens. Fujifilm has announced the ZUH6000, a new ultra-short throw laser projector that offers greater installation flexibility thanks to its rotating lens. Key features. Rotating lens. The lens module can rotate from a flat position on the body to a vertical 90-degree position, and its head can rotate 360 degrees. 4K resolution. The ZUH6000 is the first model in the Z series to support 4K high-definition projection. Ultra-short throw. The projector can be placed close to the wall or screen to generate a viewing area of about 100 inches. Lens shift. The lens shift function in the vertical, 82%, and horizontal, 35%, axis allows the image position to be moved in a much wider area than normal in this type of projector. Light output. The laser light source is capable of emitting 6,000 lumens and offers a 1.5x improvement in color reproduction compared to current models. Optical zoom. The projector has a 1.1x optical zoom. Benefits. Increased installation flexibility. The rotating lens allows the projector to be installed in complicated positions. Improved image quality. The 4K resolution and improved color reproduction offer a better viewing experience. Easy setup. The lens shift function makes it easy to adjust the image position. Overall, the Fujifilm ZUH6000 is a versatile and innovative projector that offers a number of advantages over traditional ultra-short throw projectors.